principal, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is beauty of Islam. Islam is the religion of truth. It is the embodiment of code of life which Allah the Creator has Lord of the universe has revealed for the guidance of mankind. For the proper development of human life man needs two elements: the resources to maintain life and to fulfill the material needs of the individual and society, knowledge of the principles of individual and social behavior to enable and to maintain justice and tranquility in human life. The Lord of the universe has provided for both of these in full measure. The Lord of the universe has provided for both of these in full measure to categorize to the material needs of man. He has put at his resources at his disposal. The other literal meaning of the word Islam is peace. This signifies that one can achieve real peace of body and of mind only through submission and obedience to Allah. Such obedience to Allah life of brings peace of body and heart establishes real society at large. Dear friends, the basic Islamic concept is that this whole universe was created by Allah, whom Islam calls Allah, and who is the Lord of the sovereign of the universe, which He alone sustains. Dear friends, there is no doubt that these aspects will continue to appeal to even more aspects, to even more people in the peace. Well, with poor heart and sincere longing for truth will always obedience to say, I affirm that there is no worthy of worship except Allah, that He is one sharing His authority with no one, and I affirm that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is His messenger and His prophet.